Hello, today we'll be taking a look at the key components of data science. First off, what do you need with data science? You need your data. To get your data, you need to collect it. So let's start with the first component, data collection. Data collection is the gathering of relevant data from various sources. These sources could be databases, APIs, sensors, social media platforms, and so many others. After your data has been collected, you need to clean it. This stage is also known as the pre-processing stage. You need to ensure data quality by removing errors, handling of missing values, and standardizing formats. And after all of this, transforming the data into a usable format for analysis. When this is done, you start with your data analysis. Data analysis is conducting initial investigations to gain insight into the data, identify patterns, and understanding the underlying structure of your data. Another component of data science is feature engineering. What is feature engineering? Feature engineering is selecting and transforming relevant features or variables to enhance the predictive power of your machine learning models. Once you have selected and transformed the relevant features, what do you need to do now? You need to build your model. To build your model, you need machine learning. Machine learning involves utilizing algorithms and statistical models to develop predictive and descriptive models that can make accurate predictions or uncover hidden patterns in data. Once your model has been built, you need to evaluate and validate this model. How do you do this? You do this by assessing the performance and reliability of the models using various metrics and validation techniques. Some are F1 score, recall, precision, confusion matrix. There are a lot of others that you can also use as well. Another key component of data science is data visualization. You create visual representations of your data to effectively communicate findings, trends, and insights to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Another component of data science is deployment of your models and monitoring. Implementing your models into production environments and continuously monitoring their performance to ensure accurate predictions and maintain model effectiveness over time is another key component of data science.